Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to rebuild one of these corken pumps. Obviously, I got my heater going. Turn it down. This is a corken pump. First thing you're going to do is take the... That is so greasy. You're going to take the 6 bolts out of the face, right there. Take it off. You'll use a pulley puller kit. You'll pull that off there, set it to the side. You'll inspect it. This one's gotten hot, obviously. Anyway, you'll carry on. The next thing you'll do is you'll take this ring off right here. It's 3 screws. After that's done, you're going to take this little key out of here. And where can I set you fellas at? I'll set y'all right here on my toolbox. Alright, so the next thing I got to do is remove this sleeve thing. It usually slides up pretty easy. You can grab pliers. I'm trying to save this kit, so isn't that a burnt up motor? Alright. I'll show you what I'm getting stuck on. Alright, what's happening here is that's stuck. So, there's that ring there. That freaking hurts. So, we've got a burr. Ball right here. Ooh. Just kind of get rid of anything that feels rough. Alright. That's better. That O-ring's going to come out now, ain't it? O-ring. Sit y'all back down there. Here's some pliers. Don't want to squeeze it too hard. The aluminum right there will mar. I'm trying to save this kit. It's not always easy. Alright, it's getting caught. Same spot. Just file it down, file it down, file it down. It's almost always on the keyway. Discard that a little bit, not terrible though. So we got this out now. This will be 2 videos, a disassembly and a reassembly. Grab that out. Alright. Now the next thing we gotta do is get this seal out without damaging it. Like I said, we're trying to save this kit. That did not go to plan. This shit's gonna be a pain. Alright. So, we're gonna take these 4 bolts out here. I've got a special cut Allen key I use just for this. I have no idea where it's at though. Damn. I swear I was gonna check if it wasn't attached to me. There it is. Especially cut down. y'all dropped. Beat it again. Never such thing as too much lube when you're fucking with these. The kit's like $400. And sometimes, if it's just a burnt motor, you can save from having to do the kit. I get my motors rebuilt. They charge way too much money at the place to buy new ones. But I got a local guy who will take them and rebuild them for $300, but then he reseals them, which is what you need for the LP stuff. More. Alright, be right back. That won't come out. Skip ahead about 2 to 5 minutes. This bolt is a pain to get out. They're not bad to get when they're not like rusty. When they get cleaned out. Nose itching on me. Alright, there we go. Come on. One more turn. Alright. That bolt's out. Now the key, I'm gonna get it twisted if we're trying to save it. So now we're just gonna tap, tap. Alright. Slide it off. And now we're going to inspect that. We're going to inspect that real good. See if they can be saved, which they should be able to. They look pretty good. And then reassemble it on that motor. Oh, I guess I'll turn completely sideways. So yeah, now we're going to put this pump onto this motor. And it's just a lot of the same process. Like I said, I got some cleaning and stuff to do real quick. But you get the idea. Alright, that's a little bit long, but that's how to take one apart, and then I'll make another video showing you how to put one together.